Miwako. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have Morigirl accessories such as socks and hair accessories. They're very cute. So yeah, without any more waiting, let's just go ahead. For next week, I'm thinking on doing my Morigirl clothing haul video that I said that I was gonna do, but I haven't done it. If not, I might be doing a UV resin video or another lookbook, another Morigirl lookbook. I know that you guys like my latest Morigirl lookbook and I'm very happy about that, so thank you very much. So yeah, without any more waiting, let's just go ahead. I'm going to start with socks because I have a lot. So the first one is this pair over here. They're short, but these are actually very good. And they're very stretchy, as you can see here. Really like the design of the socks. It's very nice and it feels very comfortable when I'm wearing it. I think I ordered 2 pairs. So yep, I have this pair and they were very cheap too. The next pair of socks are these ones over here. They're super adorable. I always wanted to have like socks like this with a lot of laces on the ankle. I think that looks pretty cute. I got them in white and I also got them in beige. I actually don't have any beige socks so far. I wanted to experiment. So far, white always looks so well with most of the Morigirl clothing, but I noticed that there's also like creams and beige socks that look pretty nice with a lot of outfits too. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it looks. Very cheap. I think I got those 2 on the same store. I also got this pair of socks over here in white too with another style. So it looks like this. It's pretty simple. It feels very good. All of the socks feels very nice quality. They are very stretchy and they feel quite thick. This one has laces all around the socks. Very cute. Ooh. Yeah, very nice. It's good to have like short socks and also long socks with and without laces. The next pair of socks that I got is another white socks. I think they have them in other colors, but I wanted to try just one. I don't know if I got them in a different shop, but yeah, they are a little bit longer, as you can see over here. They are very stretchy, surprisingly. They are more thinner, but they're very cute and I really like the style of these socks. I think it looks pretty cute. These are the type of socks that I see a lot like on Lolita dresses. They like wear it like this. I don't know how you call this, like folded kind of wrinkled kind of style. I really like how it looks. I wish I got it more because I really like the ruffles, laces, and kind of like shrink it kind of effect like this. And I also got another 2 pair of socks which are more of a floral style. They had them in other colors, but I thought that, you know, I don't have any blues, so I got them in blue. Again, white because white goes with almost everything. I love these details in almost everything. I think you might have noticed with all of my Mori stuff. I just love this a lot. These are also very good. They feel soft, but they also feel very thick, so it's very good. As you can see, they're quite stretchy. Very good quality. All of these socks are very good quality. So I also got tight. One of them is a little bit literally tight on me because of the waist, and is no other than this. I saw this on AliExpress a long time ago, and also one of the girls on the Mori Discord mentioned them, and she said that, you know, people with a bigger size could fit, so I thought that I would give them a try, and it did fit me, but it's a little bit tight, but it stretches a lot. It has 2 designs. It's very simple. It only has this, and on the other side it has a bunny. This is the only thing that it has. Everything is just white. Pretty simple, but with all the layers and everything with the Morigirl outfit, I think this will look nice because it's just going to accentuate this part. It's very tiny, like I said. Like, look at this. Look at this. I am around 31 or 32 kind of inches waist, and this is literally like 8 inches over here. Like, literally. Oh wow, yeah, 8 inches. I cannot guess it, but oh my god. Yeah, it was 8 inches. It's insane. It's insane. Like, obviously it does stretch, but it's tight. It's a little bit tight, so if you're around my weight, you might struggle just a bit because, yeah, again, it's a little bit tight. Also, I got another pair of tights, but this one fits me amazing. I got this tight that I'm gonna show you in a plus size shop. I've never bought anything from a plus size shop, but yeah, I just found these tights. Got them in beige and in white. They also had them in black, but I haven't been thinking about any black outfits so far, so I got it in these 2 colors. So this is basically the design in both. Very nice. The material, it is thin but also a little bit thick, and it stretches a lot. I saw a lot of plus size pictures on the review, and even though in here looks pretty small, it does stretches a lot, and the elastic is not uncomfortable. Like, I tried this on already, so they feel pretty nice, and I'm just really happy because honestly it's very hard to find like cute tight socks that goes very nice with like Kawaii Fashion, and also that it fits like bigger sizes. Like, I am a large to X large USA, and I struggle a lot with the Asian tight socks and everything. So I'm very happy with this. Like, I really recommend. They also have cute plus size clothing, so you should also check them out. They're not muddy, but they're also cute. These are the socks. So those are all the socks that I've gotten so far. I still got these fake flowers. I really don't like them that much. They look way more fake than the pictures. I got 4 of this, so I'm just putting it over here just as a decor. So now for the hair accessories. The first one is this cute bear pin. You guys have already seen it in my latest Morigirl lookbook. I really love it. I think the seller had like different styles, but and I also think colors, but I really like this one because I also like to, you know, do craft and stuff. I really like it. It looks pretty nice with all the Morigirl outfits, and I really like it. This is very high good quality, so very nice. I'm thinking on getting more stuff from this shop too. Super cute. Also, I got this brooch. I know that it looks kind of like bulky and maybe too much because I got it to pair it with that dress that I'm gonna show you in another Morigirl haul. The dress honestly goes with this brush, even though I had to purchase them separated. I just wanted to wear the entire thing that the model was wearing. I would have never got this if it wasn't for that outfit, because it's not really like honestly 100% my style. really like how well done this is made. It has a brooch and it also has 2 different clips. I guess you can also wear this as a hair clip, but I don't know how it's gonna look like. You're gonna see how cute this is gonna look on the dress. So I also got some deer kind of ears. I never got them before. I don't know how you call them. Deer ears? No, deer and hairs. I don't know how you call them. I haven't tried them long, so this is also new for me. They have a lot of designs and I just went for this one. I don't know, I don't remember why. They look very nice. This is made out of felt. It looks very well made. Everything seems to be glued with hot glue. It looks very realistic. They had tons of different designs, so I'm gonna see how this looks on me. I never tried on any deer ears or stuff like this, so we shall see. I got 3 more accessories. First of all, can we just appreciate the box? Isn't the box just so cute? So I got on this one a blue hair accessory, blue hair clip. I really like hair clips a lot. And you might have seen me wearing a lot of headbands or hair clips because I don't get headaches with this. I've been getting a lot of headaches and migraines lately, so these have been my go-to. And I also just overall love these designs. Like overall, I love wearing hair accessories. I think that's like my trademark or something like that. So yeah, anyways, so this is a blue hair clip. I really love all the textures that they use for this. Honestly, this is the type of hair accessories that I wish I could make, so I can sell them on an Etsy or something like that. I wish I knew how to knit and everything. The clip is very good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This feels like quality, and it wasn't expensive, honestly. So yeah, this is the first one. I got a blue one because I honestly don't have a lot of blue stuff. I know that on a lot of Morigirl's outfits, you guys wear well, not you guys, but general, it's more about a lot of beige, and I love beige too. Everything's okay, but I also like to, you know, experiment with colors. So yeah, I got this one over here. This one I got, oh yeah, I got this pair of earrings. I'm wearing these earrings on my first Morigirl lookbook. I decided to wear them even though I didn't show them before. I just was too excited to wear them. I think they had a lot of more styles, but I went for just something that can look good with most of my outfits. Doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop wearing earrings, because I really don't have any more like Morigirl earrings. I'm normally having my hair down, so that's why I almost never wear this, but I really like this. They're so cute and they are very lightweight, very adorable, very well done. I just love them. And I think this is my last item. So this is more of a neutral browns, cream, beige color. Again, I got this because it can match with most of my outfits. You might have noticed that I almost on my Mori outfits wear almost the same headband, because honestly it looks good with everything. So yeah, I decided to change up a little bit and get something new. Again, I'm gonna get more of these hair clips because they're very cute. And honestly, they look very nice. Look at this. This is just art. This is amazingly cute. I love it too much. It's so cute. I always love handmade accessories like this. So yeah, very happy and excited to wear all of this. So guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. I hope you love everything that I just showed you. I'm excited to make more Morigirl's lookbooks and more Morigirl overall videos. Thank you again for all your support. If you want to keep watching more of my Morigirl's videos, let me know in a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more Morigirl fashion videos and kawaii videos too. So thank you again guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.